Okay, we offer the option of Hello BMW in our BMWs. It's a personal assistance in the vehicle. Based on the equipment of your vehicle, the feature will enable and disable features in the car. It is very convenient when you are focused on driving, as you always should be. It will also give you a better peace of mind. Just you can speak to the car as a normal human being, because again, this is your personal vehicle and it should be catering to you. So we will begin. We will go to the car and go to settings. You go to general settings, and up here on the option here, you want to go to personal assistance and press the wake up word, and that is the Hello BMW. Once that's activated, the system will always be on, and will also differentiate who's using the system and who's dictating the car's system in the car. So to do that, I can just say, as I'm driving, Hello BMW, find the nearest Starbucks. Again, you just want to have a conversation with the car.
I have found several destinations. Which one should I select?
Number 4.
Okay, I've selected Starbucks. Should I start the guidance?
Yes.
Let's go.
Notice my conversation with the vehicle was very easy, and just as you would talk to a person, and that's exactly what. And just listen to the prompts. Do not pause, otherwise the vehicle will get confused if you pause between your speeches to the car. If I want to dictate a temperature, I can also do so. Hello BMW, set the temperature on the driver's side 65 degrees.
No problem. I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 65 degrees Fahrenheit.
Again, it's a personal assistance in the vehicle. You also can dictate the heated seats within the vehicle. Hello BMW, activate the heated seats.
I'm setting the seat heating on the driver's seat at level 3.
This is a personal assistance in the car, and when you have your phone connected to this vehicle, you'll be able to dictate calls right through just by talking to the car. Hello BMW, cancel guidance.
I've ended the guidance.
Simple as that. Thank you very much, and that is your personal assistance that should be catering to you. Thank you.